Welcome to my channel PCB Design. In this video, I am going to present you an excited power supply circuit. This is IC regulated 5 volt power supply design. The salient features of this circuit: it is a very simple circuit to build. IC regulated stabilized power supply, highly suitable for digital circuits, compact in size and very economical to build. If one needs higher current supply, suitable power transformer can be used with appropriate changes of the components values and the heat sink. That is why I have kept the power transformer outside the PCB in this design. It is a flexible one. This particular setup needs no special heat sink. It can fit to any case and any pocket. So it is very easy and convenient to have a 5 volt regulated power supply for any digital circuits. Working of the circuit design, the power transformer converts 230 volt AC mains to 9 volt with 200 milliamps current capacity. 9 volt AC is rectified by N4001 power rectifier diode, smoothed by 470 MFD electrolytic capacitor. LED 1 indicates that DC is available at the point 1 for regulation. IC7805 is a voltage regulator which regulated the steady output voltage of 5 volt always. 12 volt DC is available at point 1 of IC7805 and it is regulated, and a steady 5 volt is available at the output pin of 3 of the IC. So one can take out 12 volt DC as well as regulated 5 volt DC from this circuit. This 5 volt is further smoothened by the capacitor C2 and the noise is suppressed with capacitor C3. The complete circuit schematic is given here. You can go through it. It is a very simple design and convenient and compact. Even a novice can build it very easily. The components values are given in their tabulated form. In the semiconductor side, one IC regulator, IC05, one rectifier diode, one N4001 and one red LED for power indication. Only one resistor is used, 1 kilo ohm. 3 capacitors are used here, 2 electrolytic and 1 ceramic capacitors. 470 MFT 16 volt capacitor, one number, 10 volt 10 volt number, and KP is a ceramic capacitor for noise support. Important other components are is 230 volt AC and gives 0.9 at 200. The PCB design is shown here. It is very simple and kept straightforward. Copper track of the circuit is given here. This is even a novice can understand the circuit design, PCB design of the circuit and can be optimized for miniaturization if one wants it. The component power supply is also shown here. The 2D view of the PCB is given here. You can go through it. The excellent 3D view of the PCB shows everything on the board, how it is compact and is fixed on the PCB for this design. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and share. Subscribe to view more such videos. Thank you.